Learning the hip hinge is one of the most fundamental things that we can do for both an athletic and a general population. Most people know the hinge as a deadlift, but truth be told, there's a lot of steps before doing the deadlift that help get your body aligned and oriented to be able to hinge effectively, so you're putting the strain and positive stress in the right working muscles and joints and tissues, and not putting unwanted strain and stress in any of the unwanted spaces of your body. Basically, it just helps to practice the hinge in different ways, so that way you can mechanically align and ingrain a good movement pattern in your body before stepping up to a bar and going for your deadlift. Here are a few ways that you can groove the hip hinge for either yourself or any of your clients or athletes.